Acer is officially making a comeback in the smartphone market. They have launched the new Super ZX and Super ZX Pro. However, these phones are not directly manufactured by Acer. Instead, they carry the Acer brand on devices produced by Intel Technologies under a licensing agreement. This is similar to the situation with Nokia, where the brand is used but not the direct manufacturing. These new devices offer competitive specifications and are priced very attractively for the entry-level and mid-range market segments. The Super ZX features a 6.7-inch LCD screen with Full HD resolution, 120 Hz, and 800 nits. It comes with a Dimensity 6300 processor in versions with 4, 6, or 8 GB of RAM and 64, 128, or 256 GB of storage. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh, supporting 33-watt charging. The standout feature is its main camera with a 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, uncommon in this segment, and it includes macro and depth cameras, both 2 megapixels. Commonly referred to as marketing cameras. The front camera boasts 13 megapixels and interestingly enough it can record video in 2K. The device weighs 200 grams and is 8.6 mm thick. It also features IP50. What does that mean? Additionally, there are dual speakers and a side fingerprint reader. Launched in India, they have a starting price of 7,999 rupees, which is approximately $95. As I mentioned, it comes in variants with more RAM and additional storage, though obviously at a higher cost. The Super ZX Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD AMOLED display, boasting 120 Hz and 1000 nits of brightness. It is powered by the Dimensity 7400 processor and available in configurations with 6, 8, or even up to 12 GB of RAM, alongside storage options of 128, 256, or up to 512 GB. The device includes a 5000 mAh battery that supports a 33-watt charge, identical to the base model. However, its standout feature is the 50-megapixel front camera, due to its OmniVision OVD sensor, and it also offers 50-megapixel rear cameras. Additionally, on the back of the phone features a 50-megapixel main camera, equipped with a Sony IMX682 sensor. It is accompanied by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a 2-megapixel macro camera. This model is rated IP64, making it resistant to dust and able to withstand light splashes. It boasts a glass back cover design and weighs 182 grams. Additionally, it has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, support for Wi-Fi 6 networks, and an in-display fingerprint reader, enhancing its functionality. The Acer Super ZX boasts a more premium finish compared to other models. The pricing for these models begins at 17,999 rupees, which is approximately $215 for the basic version. Details about their global availability are quite limited at the moment, as these models were introduced in India. It's essential to remember that they are models specifically designed for the Acer brand, but the manufacturer is likely from the same region. Therefore, it seems quite improbable that these devices will be distributed globally. But let me know if you think these Acer Super ZX are a good option for their price, or would you choose another brand?